The library. Not finished yet. Another provision of 2 floors. It's not yet finished. They are here now. It's very, very nice here. Because this one will be provided for the rooms.
Rooms again.
Rooms.
And then
Another floor.
Four rooms. You know, the 4th floor would be the gym room.
This is the third.
This is the 3rd. And I have another provision for 2-story more.
Very good.
That's why we built it very strong
For expanded.
Yes,
for
of course.
expansion. It takes a lot of money, so I don't have money at the moment. Last year, the first opening, I have 85. So this year, probably it's over 100.
Yep.
And then by next year, addition, probably 3 to 4 more years. I will have
You're starting to wake up.
trying to pick up little by little.
Yep.
Okay.